If you're in the market for a new CPU, you've probably come across Intel processors. But with so much competition out there, you might be wondering, are Intel processors still worth buying in 2023? Let's dive in and find out. Intel processors have been a staple in the computing world for years, known for their performance and reliability. In 2023, Intel continues to roll out its 13th Gen core lineup aimed at gamers, content creators, and everyday users. What stands out right away is their hybrid architecture, which combines performance cores with efficient cores. This design aims to optimize multitasking and power consumption, making it great for both high-end gaming and productivity tasks. One thing to note is the user experience. Intel's processors tend to have solid compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and software, which is a plus for those who want a hassle-free setup. However, the pricing can feel a bit steep compared to some AMD offerings, especially if you're on a budget. Overall, while the performance is impressive, some aspects like power consumption and heat management might feel a bit lacking depending on your specific needs. When it comes to pros, Intel processors shine in single-threaded performance, making them excellent for gaming. Their integrated graphics are also a strong point for users who may not want to invest in a separate GPU. However, there are definitely some cons to consider. For one, Intel's pricing can be higher than comparable AMD processors, which offer competitive performance at a better value. Additionally, some users have pointed out that Intel chips can run hotter, which may require better cooling solutions, something to keep in mind if you're building a high-performance rig. And while Intel has made strides with their hybrid architecture, some users might find the performance gains less noticeable for everyday tasks. Overall, Intel processors are best suited for gamers and professionals who prioritize performance but may not be the ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers. So, should you consider Intel processors in 2023? If you're looking for top-tier gaming performance and reliability, they're definitely worth a look. However, if you're more budget-focused or just need something for basic tasks, you might want to explore alternatives like AMD. Always weigh your needs against your budget before making a decision.